Hello, I'm Chad, and founder of MST Performance.
Hello, I'm Harold. I'm the R&D manager for MST Performance.
In today's video, we are going to demo the installation of the Toyota Supra and BMW Z450 engine.
And behind us is the Toyota Supra 2020. To give you a rundown of the tools that we're going to need for this installation, you see here, so here we're going to need a flathead screwdriver. We will also need a 12mm wrench, also a 13mm wrench, okay, the necessary drill bits for the drill gun, and also the 15mm truck screw. The first thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to loosen the clamp here a little, okay, about like that. Then we're going to remove the sensor. Then we are going to unclamp the cover here, and we remove. Now that I've removed the cover, now I'm just going to pull this part out right now, like that. Okay, so now we're going to lift the spring. And then we're going to remove the hose. Get in there. Just take your time. And remove like that. Nice and easy. Alright, so the next part here is to unclamp this part right here with the flathead screwdriver. Now, when you unclamp it, it cannot be used again. So you'll have to replace that part entirely. Like that. And then you separate it. Like that. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to reconnect it back. So we're going to take the PCV pipe, reconnect it back, like that. And then we're going to connect this part back to the main unit. Like that. Okay, now we're going to connect the silicone hose. And then we're going to tighten down the clamps. Okay, that's one side. Alright, so now to install the heat shield, we need to do two things first. Okay, so first we need to loosen the bracket here. Okay, and be aware of the bracket here. So, okay, so here's the bracket for this part here, bracket for this part here. So we need to loosen this one, so then we can install the heat shield inside. Alright, so now we're going to place the heat shield inside. So now we've aligned the heat shield with the bracket over here, like so. And also the bracket over there, you have to make sure that that's aligned as well, like that. And now that the heat shield's in place, we're gonna tighten it down. Okay. And then we tighten the inside bracket. So we're going to be using the washer for that, like so. Put the washer in, screw in the bolt, then we're going to use 2 wrenches this time. So one to hold it in place place in the other two clip type, like so. And that's it. Alright, and now we're gonna insert the pipe. We are gonna attach it to the hose. Okay, and we're going to reconnect the sensor, the MAF sensor. And then finally we're going to clamp down the hose to the pipe. Alright, and now we're going to insert the air filter. And then we will clamp the air filter down. And for the final step, then we're going to place the heat shield on. Okay, so we will align the holes. Okay, now for the purpose of this demonstration, okay, so we're going to just tighten it up. Okay, so we have the washer here and the bolt here. Okay, and then we again make sure that it's properly aligned. Okay, so we got one, so you got 5 holes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so we're just gonna go ahead and lock them all down. And that completes the installation today, guys. So once upon installing this unit here, you guys should have a max gain of about 12 to 14 horsepower, and you guys should have a more sporty sounding injection system. Okay, so guys, if you guys have any questions regarding today's video, please feel free to contact us on the information on screen. You can also leave a comment in the comment section below this video, and we will check you guys next time. Bye bye.